What's up YouTube, it's Danny back with another video, and today we are going to open up the bObsweep Dustin series. Yes, shout out to bObsweep for sending this robot vacuum over for review. This is, I think, my third one with these guys that they've sent, and I love their vacuums over the years. So I'm excited to get this open and to get using it. And I'm currently at my mom's apartment, so just because my house is being worked on at the moment. So we're going to go ahead and open it up here and set it up, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and unbox it now and go from there. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Got the shiny knife from Mom. I'm excited to see what Dustin here looks like, and yeah, that's what I would be referring to him as, is Dustin from here on out. So go ahead and slice open the box just like that. And then I'm going to put the box on the ground real quick and pull out the bObsweep vacuum. Oh, it's airtight. Airtight. There we go. Let's set this box off to the side for now. Alright. Knife. Got the tape. I love these vacuums. Guys, if you're not using a robotic vacuum in 2024, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Sorry, you couldn't really see me. Anyway. Alright. So the first thing on top, what is this? Looks like a base or something. Set that right there for now. Dustin's owner's manual, I should say. Very nice. We'll use that in a second. Got some foam, and there's Dustin himself. What a heavy boy. Go ahead and... Ooh, he's blue. Very nice. Very nice. Big old thing. That's cool. Alright, I'm going to set Dustin right there for a second. As we continue down, we got his little comb and brush to clean him out with. And then we've got the cleaning pad. Goes on the bottom, I'm pretty sure. As well as another attachment filter thingy for that. And then we've got his sweeping blade fan things. They're not really blades, but the sweeping little sweeper dudes. They go on the bottom. They twirl when he moves. And then there's a filter of some sort. So very cool. And there's still more in here. There's a lot you get with this. Okay, in here we've got, looks like a little carrying pouch, if I'm not mistaken. I am mistaken. This is, oh, this is the vacuum bag for the bObsweep Dustin. Pretty cool. And here is, I believe, the base. Move the box out of the way and show you. Oh yeah. Here's the base. So it sits like this. So quite a bit of stuff you get with the bObsweep Dustin. Let's go ahead and set this up, and we'll go from there. I'm excited. All right, here we go. Okay, I've got it all set up now. He just made a noise when I plugged him in, or when I hooked him up to the base. I didn't know if it was going to start or not, so I got the camera going, but I think what I'm going to do before we start is download the iPhone app. Yes, they have an iPhone and Android app. that works with your bObsweep Dustin, and I think some other models as well. So let me go ahead and get that going, and then we will get started on what exactly he can do. Alright, so here is the app on my iPhone 16 Pro. We're just going to go add model. Okay, it's the Dustin. Okay, name. I'm just going to name him Dustin. Keep it simple, right? Dustin. Turn on location services and Bluetooth. Okay. He's on. We're going to allow. Okay, let me type in the password real quick.
Wi-Fi detected. Connecting.
Alright, it's currently establishing a connection.
Connection successful.
Cool. Hit finish. We're done. And now you can see it is charging. We've got Dustin charging 58% charged, and I can actually control the robot with my phone. So we've got charge, we have start, and a couple other things. We have was it empty bin? Yeah, all kinds of stuff. So we're just going to go ahead and start, and I believe there's already a vacuum bag inside of Dustin. So it looks like you get a second one from bObsweep, so that's pretty cool. And so let's go ahead and hit start. Alright, and there's Dustin immediately. This is off to the races, isn't it? Okay, so it's going to recalculate here. It's going to run in the room. Look at him go. He's like, oh yeah, there's my home base. Very cool. Okay, so this carpet's too tall for him. Oh, wait, no, we got through it. No problem. If you have a long carpet like this, he may do this just with how tall it is. So keep that in mind. But as you can see, he doesn't want to climb over it. If absolutely needed, he can. So what I'm going to do now is send him home real quick using my phone. So I'm going to hit charge. That tells him to go home. So we'll see him do just that. Look at that. He knows where home is. He's going to back in. I think that's such a cool feature. Really cool technology. Look at that. Turn around. He's docked. He's charging. Simple as that. So what you just heard was the bObsweep Dustin vacuuming itself out. So, collects crumbs, they then go in there when you dock. And I believe, yes, there's the other bag that's already in there. So all the dirt and grime go in that. And that alone is a very cool feature. That is something that my other one that I did a review on did not have. It's very cool. Okay, so a few things. Love this thing, first of all. Again, bObsweep, you guys are amazing. Thank you all so much for sending it this way. By far the coolest thing. My parents definitely want one now, so I'll send them the link. But just to clarify, this indeed is mopping. This is for mopping. You get another mopping attachment scrubber thing. I don't know what do you call this? I don't know. It's not a sponge, but yeah, it's for mopping. That's my point. You get a spare little brush that helps dust as it picks up. Again, you get the comb and the well, it's basically just a comb that gets all the little parts out and all the little crumbs and stuff that it picks up. Second filter, there's already one in there. Very nice. And you also get another bag. This bag is blue. The other one is white. Did I show the inside of that? I'm pretty sure I did. I'll get B-roll if I didn't. But I think, and I can't really find it anywhere, but I believe this is for mopping. I think that's why it's blue. So, I could be wrong, but I think that's what it is for. You get a quick start guide, which I did use to set it up, but they also have a full-blown owner's manual, which is very cool. And this one by far is the best from bObsweep. I can't, like, the other ones that I've done, that I've reviewed in the past, didn't have a vacuum function that vacuums into the base. That is very handy. So all you have to do is dump out that bag and probably replace the bag over time. But yeah, I'm blown away. Seriously, bObsweep, shout out to you guys again. Thank you all so much for sending it this way. Me and Dustin, we're going to be great friends. I'm going to pass on the red one, the one I reviewed previously a couple years ago. That was going to be passed on to my mom. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for that. Very impressed. Again, if you have, I got different, mom has different rugs in her apartment. This one that is in the bedroom is the thickest. Dustin does have issue getting on it, unless it's at the corners, I guess because they taper down. But once he's on it, he can vacuum no problem. It's just, as you saw in the footage I shot, he was going along the ridge and not actually climbing on top. It was setting off the sensor like, oh, this is a wall. So then he'd readjust, and he just went along the center, or along the side of the rug, no problem. So, but then, as you saw, as it tapered off to the corner, he was able to climb up and get on for a second. So, just keep that in mind. If you have thick carpets, thick rugs, he may just see those as walls and not climb up, which is not a big deal. So, but I'm just letting you know, just being transparent. So, yeah. What more can I say? I love it. The app is easy to use. It's simple. So, you do have a map. And you can see he has mapped the bedroom pretty extensively, which is pretty cool. And then, let's see. There's also a visual owner's manual and quick start guide on the app as well. There's my Dustin vacuum right there. Registered under my account. Control. There's the map I already showed you. Schedule, settings, history. And so we'll go with, there's the history for cleaning, which was today, Sunday, the 13th. You can set them on a schedule, which is pretty cool. All in the app, guys. He connects with the app. The app is the way to use this thing. It's so cool. And he can do a quick clean. He can do spot clean and room clean. There's different modes in the quick clean settings. And I love that it's got an empty bin option. And you can see it down the corner. He is indeed charging. So very cool. I'm highly impressed. So, yeah. All right, guys. If you like this video, thank you so much for watching. Again, bObsweep, thank you for sending this my way. I really do appreciate it. I love working with you guys. And I love the fact that you send me a vacuum and let me keep it. I think that's amazing. That's so nice of you guys. You don't have to do that, but I definitely appreciate that. And I appreciate all of you who watch this video as well. So I do appreciate it. I'm very thankful for my community and the friends I've made along the way. And thank you again to bObsweep. I know I thanked you like 12 times, but really, Really means a lot. I'm a small YouTuber, small creator, so for you guys to recognize me a third time in a row in the last few years is huge in my mind. It's absolutely huge. I was telling my friend David how big that is, that they see a small creator like me and want to send me something to review. That's amazing. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.